This video demonstrates how I promoted a Windows server to a domain controller on the Amazon Web Services platform. So upon getting on the desktop, I went to the server manager, which was I used the start button where I found it on the panel. It could also be searched by search, which I can search. And upon opening, the server manager gave me this message, which saw to be irrelevant at the moment. So I closed the window and went on to the add rules and features wizard page. And upon getting on the page, I realized I had not statically set my IP address. So with the help of the command prompt and the network properties, I went on to create an IP address or set an IP address. With the command prompt open, I closed it and cancelled the add rules and features wizard page, and went on to the local server page. And on the page, I scrolled down to the Ethernet IP address, the Ethernet option, which when I clicked on, opened the network connection page, and I went to the properties. And on opening, I went into the Internet Protocol version 4 page and realized I was on a dynamic IP address configuration. So they use the following IP address option to set the IP address statically. And in the command prompt, I typed in ipconfig space /or to get the IP address I was on. Upon realizing the IP address I was on, I went on to the network connection page, selected the Ethernet on which I was, and went to the Internet Protocol version 4 option, and it opened the Internet Protocol version 4 properties for me. And with my knowledge on remote desktop connections, I realized IP addresses play a vital role in connecting to in making remote desktop connections. So I maintained the IP address I was on and changed, changed it to static IP address so I don't lose a connection, since the remote desktop connection is well informed by the IP address. So in this case, if it changes, I will be on a different connection and it will end the session, the remote desktop session, which I'll have to start again. I maintained the same dynamic IP address, but just making it static. And upon inputting the figures, I went on to check the validate settings upon exit box and click OK. And on the Ethernet properties dialog, I clicked OK too. And this restarted the connection. This is it getting restarted, reconnecting.